In today's video, I am going to teach you how to break an Excel worksheet into separate pages for printing. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet. Once the file is on screen, go to the top of Excel and click the View tab. This area gives you different ways to look at your worksheet, and for printing, one of the most useful options is Page Break Preview. On the far left side of the ribbon, click Page Break Preview. As soon as you do that, your spreadsheet will shrink slightly, and you will notice page numbers displayed in the background. This view is designed to show you exactly how Excel plans to split your worksheet across printed pages. Next, look closely for the blue lines that appear across the sheet. These lines may be dashed or solid, and they represent the current page borders. In other words, they show where one printed page will end and the next one will begin. This is the key area you will work with when adjusting how your worksheet prints. Move your mouse over one of those blue lines. When your cursor changes into a two-way arrow, that means the page break can be adjusted. At that point, click and drag the blue line to the exact place where you want the page to split. This allows you to control how much content appears on each printed page, which can be especially helpful if you want to keep related rows or sections together instead of having them split awkwardly between pages. Take your time while dragging the line. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how clean and readable your printed worksheet looks. If needed, review the page numbers in the background as a guide, since they help you understand how the content will be divided once it is printed. When you are finished adjusting the page breaks, you can switch back to your standard worksheet view. To do that, go back to the View tab and click Normal. This returns Excel to the regular editing screen, while keeping the page break changes you made in place for printing. That is the full process. Open the worksheet, switch to Page Break Preview, find the blue page break lines, drag them where you want the pages to split, and then return to normal view when you are done. This is a simple but very useful way to make sure your worksheet prints exactly the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.